If I had to start over knowing what I know now about the stock market, this is exactly how I would trade. I'm going to teach you a simple strategy that you can use to trade stocks in the next 10 minutes. This is going to be a strategy that works great for beginners because it's very simple, it's easy to understand, and it has a high probability of working. So make sure to pay close attention. The first step is to go to a stock trading platform and open up a new trade. Now we want to click on Trade Stocks, and from here we have to select a brokerage account. You can choose whatever brokerage you like. I personally like to use a certain brokerage because they have really low fees, but you can use pretty much any brokerage you like. Once you have your brokerage selected, you want to put in the amount of money that you want to invest. Now that we're in the trade screen, you want to type in the stock symbol of the company that you want to buy. For this example, we're going to be buying Apple. Once you have the stock symbol typed in, you want to click on Buy. Now we have to decide how many shares we want to buy of this company. For this example, we're going to be buying 1 share of Apple. You want to make sure that you have enough money in your account to cover the purchase of the shares. If you don't have enough money in your account, then you won't be able to buy the shares. Once you have that done, you want to click on Buy. Now that we've bought the shares, we want to set a stop loss on it. Stop loss is basically the price that we're willing to sell our shares for if the price drops below a certain point. So for this example, we're going to set our stop loss at $153. That means if the price of Apple drops below $153, we're going to automatically sell our shares. You want to set a stop loss on every single trade that you make? It's a very important part of trading, and it can help you to limit your losses. Once you have that done, you want to click on Place Order. And that's pretty much it. You just made your first trade. Now all we have to do is wait for our trade to either make money or hit our stop loss. If the trade makes money, then we can take the profit and run. If the trade hits our stop loss, then we can cut our losses and move on to the next trade. This is a very simple strategy that you can use to trade stocks. It's not going to make you rich overnight, but it can help you to make some extra money on the side. Just remember to always do your research before making any trades and never invest more money than you can afford to lose. With that being said, I wish you good luck on your trading journey.